Welcome to ProSpeak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Welcome to our new English learning series. Today, we are at the airport. Arriving in a new city can be exciting, but also a little stressful. In this lesson, we will practice greetings and asking about the initial travel plans. Listen carefully to how we speak clearly and slowly.
Hello, you must be Sarah. It is so nice to finally meet you in person.
Yes, I am Sarah. It is wonderful to meet you too, Mark. Thank you for coming to pick me up.
It is no problem at all. How was your flight? Was it very long?
The flight was actually quite good. It was about 8 hours, but I managed to sleep a little bit.
That is good to hear. Sleeping on a plane is often difficult. Do you have all of your luggage?
Yes, I have everything. I have one large suitcase and this small backpack. That is all.
Great. The car is parked just outside in the short-term parking lot. Is the bag heavy?
It is a little bit heavy, but I can manage it. It has wheels, so it rolls easily.
Okay, but please let me know if you need help. Have you been to this city before?
No, this is my very first time here. I'm very excited to see the sights.
I think you will love it. The weather is beautiful this week. It is sunny and warm.
That is perfect. I was worried it might be raining. I did not pack an umbrella.
Do not worry. You will not need an umbrella today. Are you hungry after your flight?
Actually, yes, I am quite hungry. The food on the airplane was not very good.
I know a great restaurant near your hotel. We can stop there for lunch.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. What kind of food do they serve?
They serve local dishes. It is very tasty and not too expensive.
Local food sounds delicious. I really want to try something authentic.
Then it is a plan. We will go to the hotel first to drop off your bags, and then we will eat.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Is the hotel far from here?
Not very far. It's about a 20-minute drive if the traffic is light.
20 minutes is not bad. I enjoy looking out the window at the new scenery.
Let's get going then. The exit is right over there.
Notice how we use the phrase first time here. We use ordinal numbers like first, second, or third to describe experiences. In the next lesson, we arrive at the hotel and practice checking in. See you there. We have arrived at the hotel. Now we need to check in. Checking into a hotel involves confirming your reservation and asking about amenities like breakfast or Wi-Fi. Listen closely to the polite questions we use.
Here we are. The lobby looks very nice and clean. Do you have your reservation details?
Yes, I have the confirmation email on my phone. I booked it last week.
Excellent. Let's go to the front desk. I will wait here with your luggage.
Thank you, Mark. I will just be a moment. I hope they have a room with a view.
You should ask them. Sometimes they can upgrade you if the hotel is not full.
That is a good tip. I will ask politely. By the way, what time is checkout usually?
Usually, checkout is at 11 in the morning or 12 noon. The receptionist will tell you.
Okay. I also need to ask about the Wi-Fi password. I need to send an email later.
Most hotels here have free Wi-Fi. It is usually written on the keycard folder.
Do you know if breakfast is included in the price? I forgot to check.
I think it is included. They serve a buffet breakfast from 7 to 10.
A buffet sounds wonderful. I love having coffee and fruit in the morning.
The coffee here is very good. You will enjoy it. Are you ready to go to the counter?
Yes, I'm ready. Oh, one more thing. Do I need to show my passport?
Yes, they always require a passport or ID for international guests.
Okay, I have it right here in my bag. I will go speak to them now.
Take your time. I will sit on this sofa and wait for you.
You are very kind. I will be back in 5 minutes.
No rush. I can check my messages while I wait.
Okay, I'm going now. Wish me luck with the room upgrade.
Good luck. I'm sure they will give you a nice room.
I hope so. I really want to see the city skyline from my window.
Go ahead. I'll watch the bags right here.
Did you hear the question forms? Do I need to? And is breakfast included? These are essential for traveling. Next, we will leave the hotel and ask for directions to a restaurant. Join us for the next lesson. I have checked into the hotel and refreshed myself. Now we are outside on the street. We want to find the restaurant, but we need to discuss the directions. Pay attention to prepositions of place, like next to, across from, and behind.
Okay, Sarah. The restaurant is not far, but the streets here can be confusing.
I have a map on my phone, but the GPS signal is a little weak.
Do not worry. I know the way. First, we need to walk straight down this street.
Walk straight down this street. Okay. Do we turn left or right at the corner?
At the first traffic light, we must turn right. Then we walk for 2 blocks.
Got it. Turn right at the light, then go 2 blocks. Is the restaurant on the left side?
No, it is on the right side. It is right next to a large bookstore.
Next to a bookstore. That is a good landmark to look for.
Yes. If you see a post office, you have gone too far. You must turn back.
Okay, no post office. Is it across from a park?
Yes, exactly. There is a small green park directly across the street from the restaurant.
That sounds lovely. Maybe we can walk in the park after we eat.
We certainly can. It is a very safe and quiet area. Do you like walking?
I love walking. It is the best way to see a new city.
I agree. Taking a taxi is faster, but you miss all the small details.
Exactly. How long will it take us to walk there from here?
It should only take about 10 minutes. Are your shoes comfortable?
Yes, I'm wearing sneakers. They're very comfortable for walking.
Perfect. The sidewalk is a bit uneven in some places, so be careful.
I will watch my step. Look, is that the traffic light up ahead?
Yes, that is the one. We cross the street there and then turn right.
The city is very busy today. There are so many people.
It is lunchtime, so everyone is coming out of their offices. Let's go.
Directions can be tricky. Remember key phrases like turn right, go straight, and landmarks like next to the bookstore. Next, we will sit down at the restaurant and order our food. I'm getting hungry. We successfully found the restaurant. Now we are seated at a table. In this lesson, we will focus on ordering food and drinks. Listen for words describing food and polite requests using I would like or could I have?
This restaurant is very popular. Do you like the atmosphere here?
Yes, it is very cozy. I like the decorations on the walls. It feels welcoming.
Have you looked at the menu? Is there anything that catches your eye?
Everything looks delicious. I'm having trouble deciding. What do you recommend?
Well, the chicken sandwich is famous here, but the pasta salad is also very fresh.
I think I am in the mood for something light. The pasta salad sounds good. Does it have meat?
No, it is a vegetarian dish. It has tomatoes, olives, and cheese.
That sounds perfect for lunch. I will order the pasta salad. What will you have?
I am quite hungry, so I'll order the burger with fries, and maybe a soup.
That sounds like a lot of food. You must have a big appetite today.
I skipped breakfast this morning. I need a big meal. What about a drink?
I would like some iced tea. It is refreshing on a warm day like this.
Good choice. I'll just have water with lemon. Should we call the waiter?
Yes, he is standing over there. Excuse me, we are ready to order.
Remember to ask for the dressing on the side if you want it that way.
Oh, good point. I prefer the dressing on the side. I will tell him.
And do you want dessert later? They have excellent chocolate cake.
Maybe later. Let's see how full I am after the salad. Do you want dessert?
I always have room for dessert. I love sweets.
Here comes the waiter now. He looks very friendly.
Okay, you go first. Ladies first.
Thank you. I hope the service is fast. I am starving.
They usually are very quick. Relax. The food will be here soon.
Did you notice how we made choices? I will order, or I think I will have. Using will helps us express a decision made at the moment. In our final lesson, we will reflect on the day and say goodbye. We have finished our lunch and took a nice walk in the park. Now the sun is setting. It is time to reflect on the day. We will use the past simple tense to talk about what we did today. Let's wind down.
It is getting cooler now that the sun is going down. Are you cold?
I am a little bit cool, but I am fine. The sunset is absolutely beautiful.
I'm glad you enjoyed your first day here. Did you like the food?
The food was amazing. I really loved that pasta salad. It was so fresh.
And the walk in the park was nice too. We walked for a long time.
Yes, we did. My feet are a little tired now, but it was worth it.
We visited the airport, the hotel, the restaurant, and the park. It was a busy day.
It was busy, but I feel like I know the city better now. Thank you for guiding me.
You are very welcome. It is always fun to show a friend around my city.
What is the plan for tomorrow? Do we have an itinerary?
Tomorrow, we can visit the museum and the old market. They open at 9.
That sounds exciting. I want to buy some souvenirs at the market.
You will find many nice things there. But for now, you should probably rest.
You are right. I am starting to feel the jet lag. I need some sleep.
I will drive you back to the hotel. It's on my way home.
That would be great. I do not want to take a taxi alone at night.
No need for a taxi. My car is parked just around the corner.
Perfect. I will sleep very well tonight in that comfortable hotel bed.
I'm sure you will. Do you want to meet at 9 tomorrow morning?
9 o'clock is good. I will meet you in the lobby.
Okay, let's walk to the car. Watch your step on the grass.
I'm coming. Goodbye, beautiful park. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Sarah. Have a good evening.
What a wonderful day. We practiced using the past tense to talk about memories and the future tense to plan for tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please subscribe for more lessons.